Here is a red velvet waffles with a sweet cream cheese filling. These waffles will be made from red velvet cake mix. Just follow the directions on the cake mix box. You can also make the red velvet waffles with pancake and waffle mix by adding some cocoa powder and red food dye. Heat up your waffle maker. Spray the waffle plates with cooking oil. This is to prevent your batter from sticking. Pour waffle batter into the waffle maker. I know I added more than needed, but I wanted to make sure that the batter was evenly covering the waffle plate. When the waffle maker's light come on, the waffles are ready. Now for the cream cheese filling. You soften some cream cheese, add powdered sugar, and stir until mixture is creamy. Red velvet waffles for breakfast, brunch, or dessert.